Hi, welcome. The McCloskey New Venture Competition has been in existence since 2019. At its inception, it was a business plan competition with as little as 12 submissions and a handful of judges. We have grown into a sophisticated program with hundreds of submissions and judges as a part of the process. We pride ourselves with the ability to really develop our teams throughout the process through programming, judges' feedback, and mentorship. We view McCloskey as a starting point for any early stage venture, who can then use the learnings and experiences acquired in McCloskey to go on to further develop their business model and attract additional outside funding. All current Notre Dame students, grad and undergrad, and our alumni are allowed to participate. Also included are local universities, colleges, high school, and community members in the 3-county region. So why would we do McCloskey? First of all, help with presentation and pitch deck creation. We have a step-by-step process with a template that you simply can go in and fill out with additional supporting educational material for you. Help with your team. So if you're looking for team members to round out and make it a very diverse team, we can help match you with current Notre Dame students. You're going to have access to the Ideal Center database of judges and mentors. You will also gain experience presenting your ventures as each step of the competition, there is a video component or a live presentation required. And then, of course, the cash and in-kind prizes totaling more than $300,000, with prizes going to all different kinds of participants, including best prize for best undergrad, best prize for best grad venture, and so on. What does the process look like? Round 1 is simply a presentation deck with a supporting 3-minute video. The round 2 is a pitch deck with supporting 5-minute video. And again, all of these will be outlined on our website with helpful tactics on how to create these decks. Round 3 is our semifinal round, which is an enhanced pitch deck with a 6-minute live presentation. And so this is actually a physical present pitch here at the Ideal Center, usually in late April. We also have a startup showcase, which all round 2 teams are eligible to participate, and that will take place during the same time as right before the final round. And then our final round, you're utilizing that same pitch deck with a 6-minute live presentation with a small panel of elite judges on a public stage. What does that timeline look like? Round 1 is due October 25th. We'll let you know if you are advanced to round 2 by November 26th. Mentor applications are due December 3rd. Round 2 will be due February 7th, and we will announce those moving to the semifinals by March 11th. The semifinal round will take place April 21st, with our startup showcase taking place April 22nd, and ending with our final round presentations also on April 22nd during the afternoon. You can register for the McCloskey competition on our website at idealcenter.nd.edu/se/opportunities McCloskey competition. If you have any further questions, please reach out to me at Patty Reinhart, PREINHAR @nd.edu. Thank you.